All right, we're going to look at section 6.1, the normal curve. And I'm going to start off with the graph of the standard normal curve. I will explain later why I'm calling this the standard normal curve, but and why maybe I don't even have to say that. But anyway, here we go. So the normal distribution or the normal curve is what we call bell-shaped, and from the curve itself, just by looking at it, we can get some ideas here. First of all, it's symmetric around x equals 0. Now this really is an approximate drawing, so it's a little bit dangerous. We could put this in a computer and get a much better drawing of this. Okay, now the thing is I haven't put a vertical axis, so this is along the horizontal axis. This is called standard units. Along the vertical axis, I'm going to label this in terms of percents. And up here is around, say, 50%, and 25% will be around here. Now, this is a little bit hard to see, but this scale is percent per standard unit. Okay, so the meaning for that is that if I look between 0 and 1 and I get something that's around 32%, that means that the area between 0 and 1 is 32%. Okay, so that's something that maybe we'll talk about in a bit more. This is symmetric around x equals 0. And what else can we see? What else do we know? The total area below the curve is 100%. So if we take the area below it, it's 100%. The curve is always above the horizontal axis. And I have sort of a funny way of doing these bullet points, but let me just continue along this. And well, 99.7% of the data of the area is between -3 and 3. So the point being is that most of everything's between -3 and 3, and a very small percent, 6 out of 100,000 of the area is outside of -4 to 4. Okay, so here's the ideas. Here is the main idea is we have something that's bell-shaped, and it's symmetric around the line x, vertical line x equals 0. The total area is 100% or 1. Most of the area is between -3 and 3. However, even though it looks like the curve is going to touch the horizontal axis, it doesn't. It just gets really, really close. And so when you go beyond 4, there's hardly anything there. Only 6 out of 100,000 is outside of -4 and 4. Okay, so this again is the graph of the standard normal curve.